Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check Airtel data usage history. The most reliable and comprehensive method is by using the official Airtel Thanks app. This essential application provides you with real-time updates on your remaining data balance, the validity of your current plan, and a detailed history of your data consumption. It also allows you to easily view and manage all your active packs and services, giving you complete control over your Airtel account right from your smartphone. To begin, simply download and install the Airtel Thanks app, which is readily available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once installed, open the application and log in securely using your registered Airtel mobile number. You will then receive a one-time password, or OTP, via SMS to verify your identity. After successful login, navigate to the Manage or Services section, typically found on the app's main dashboard, to access your account details. Upon entering the relevant section, your current data balance will be prominently displayed on the app's home screen, often with a clear visual indicator. To delve deeper into your usage, simply tap on this data balance or a related data section. Here, you will find a comprehensive breakdown, including your daily data consumption, the exact amount of data remaining, and the precise expiry date of your current data plan, helping you manage your usage effectively. Beyond just checking data usage, the versatile Airtel Thanks app offers a multitude of other convenient features. You can effortlessly recharge your mobile, pay various utility bills, and manage all your other Airtel services directly within the application. To ensure you always receive the most accurate and up-to-date information, it is crucial to keep your app updated to its latest version. Should you encounter any discrepancies or require further assistance, Airtel Customer Care is easily accessible through the app or their dedicated helpline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.